Manhattan, obviously out here, but today mainly focusing on this, getting the swap back into it. Should be really fun. It's done already, but you'll see what it took to get it that way. Finally about to clean this thing up. It's been sitting for a minute. Have to put a swap back in it. It's gonna have fresh gaskets, new clutch. Today, what I'm gonna start on is degreasing this bay, getting it real nice and cleaned up. Finally got this thing washed. Definitely a million times cleaner. The bay came out way cleaner. Ready to see this thing go. All right, now done got my flywheel mounted on there and everything, pilot bearing. Now mount this clutch onto here. This is the old clutch right here. It's not too bad, but it's not great at all. It never really slipped, but there's some places where, right there, not even a line anymore, barely. Let's get this stage 1 in there. Got the filing, which way the bolt. This come with this stud up there. Definitely gonna be putting that on there. I'm just gonna run these tight just a little. Just get those snug. Now I'm about to torque them. Not sure if I said anything, but I do have a lightweight flywheel also, instead of the old thick one. Alright, now we can torque them to 19 foot-pounds. You don't go to the store pattern so you get them all evenly torqued. Just go back through. Alright, let's change this throw out, bro. This one's definitely seen its better days. And now that's in there. Alright, now that I got the clutch on, throw out bearing, I'm gonna try to get these two mated up together. Alright, finally got it mated together. Well, the swap is finally back in. I will be cleaning up the motor later on. It's pretty dirty, but just wanted to get it back in there, get this thing going. Glad to finally have the swap back in. I'd have it running and driving tonight, but of course my luck, looks like it's about to rain. Not too much left. Have to get the clutch line. There's like the basics, wiring, fuel, spark and all that. Get some grounds mounted. Do gotta put my pulley back on, timing cover, etc. Not too far away. It didn't take me long to get the motor in, thankfully. It ended up not raining. Been out here just tinkering, putting some stuff on. I have to still do the fuel. Definitely figure out something with the battery. Never mind, they're all here. Have to put the battery in there, fuel. Radiator hoses don't really matter that much right now. Not gonna run it for long. But that should be it, and we can fire it up. Well, got the linkage done. Now I need to grab a few parts. First startup, let's see how it does. Before I do anything, definitely gonna zero this thing out. Make sure we do 500 to 1,000. Got it on the ground. Had to button up a couple things. Let's see if we can get it to back up. Get ready for tomorrow. Well, we got them pulled up over here. Just chilling, looking at them. Snowflake seems to be driving pretty good. No issues so far. Mint hatch killing it, as always. Need to get a couple more things done on this. Get the bumper back on. Not really a lot left. There is a couple things I need to do on the mint hatch, but this one's not too far from being done. Get it ready for the paint job finally. Drive it around and have fun with it.